This is Subhashri from SNSCT Department of Computer Science. We are going to see about biomass. So biomass is an organic matter from plants, microorganisms grown on land and water and their derivatives too. The energy obtained from biomass is also called the biomass energy. It's a renewable energy source because organic matter generated every day. Coal, petroleum, natural gas are not come in biomass category because they produce from dead buried biomass under high pressure and temperature during several millions of years. Types of biomass. Biomass are classified in three groups. It is biomass from cultivated like fields, crops, forests, etc. Biomass derived from waste like municipal waste, animal dung, etc. It is converted into liquid fuels. In first group, the biomass is directly converted into energy by burning the biomass. So, anaerobically, naturally occurring bacteria break down organic materials such as agricultural energy crops like giant kinggrass in the absence of oxygen, resulting in the creation of methane, carbon dioxide, which make up the composition of biogas. This process is called anaerobic digestion and occurs in large enclosed tanks. The biogas is collected from the anaerobic digestion tanks and processed through a generator to produce renewable electricity. So, direct combustion, thermochemical conversion, biochemical conversion, and these are the process of this. Direct combustion is the process of a oldest and most frequently applied process to extract the energy content from solid biomass. During combustion, most of the energy is released in form of heat. Different thermodynamic processes can be used to transform part of this heat into electric power. So, thermochemical combustion. Thermochemical conversion, the process convert the biomass, its residues to fuel, chemicals and power using gasification. Heating of biomass with about one third of oxygen is necessary for completing the combustion produce mixture of CO, that is carbon dioxide, and hydrogen known as syngas. Carbon dioxide and hydrogen combine together as syngas. Pyrolysis, heating biomass in absence or produce a liquid pyrolysis oil. They both are used as fuel. Biochemical conversion. Biochemical conversion by microorganic biomass to biofuel are slow process taking place low conversion temperature. The principal process is fermentation here. Fermentation is the process of decomposition of organic matter by microorganism. Example, fermentation, decomposition of sugar to form ethanol and carbon dioxide by yeast and ethanol forming acetic acid in making vinegar. So, we have to know about biochemical conversion. So, what is a biochemical conversion? Biochemical conversions are nothing but the formation of two or more chemicals together. We have to combine a mixture of two or more chemicals to form a chemical, that is slow conversion and low conversion method. So, what is a biochemical conversion? Biochemical conversion is the process of heating low and slow process to a biofuel. They are making the process in the biofuel methodology and entails breaking down the biomass. That is the main thing. To make the carbohydrates available for processing into sugars, which can then be converted into biofuels and bioproducts through the use of microorganisms, etc. So, we have to analyze what is the conversion of biochemistry. So, biochemical conversion process include anaerobic digestion or decomposition and anaerobic fermentation in the process. These process helps to make the process at low temperature and low reaction rates when compared to thermochemical process. Thermochemical process means heating the chemicals. So, high moisture content feedstocks such as food waste and green waste are generally good candidates for biochemical process. So, it includes digestion tank, biogas for electricity, heating, vehicles, pipelines, etc. And 3B products such as co-products, livestock bedding, compost, fertilizer and nutrients. And organic materials such as animal waste, food waste, agricultural waste, wastewater, sludge, etc. Anaerobic digestion. The anaerobic digestion process operates without free oxygen and results in a biogas containing mostly methane and carbon dioxide. Fugitive greenhouse gas emissions are also seen here. For an in-depth review and discussion of AD systems for MSW, hydrolysis followed by fermentation to alcohols converts substrates such as cellulose, which is converted then into glucose and then to ethanol for use in beverages, fuels, and to other chemicals, etc. While fermentation of starch and sugar-based feedbacks into ethanol is common, cellulosic biomass feedstocks are more difficult to process with fermentation. Cellulosic feedstocks, including a large portion of the organic fraction, is also to break down cellulose and hemicellulose to simple sugars needed by the yeast and the bacteria. So, alcohols such as ethanol and butanol are the primary energy product from hydrolysis and fermentation process. There are no known hydrolysis and fermentation systems operating on MSW feedstock, but research has been done showing potential for this process. So, thank you.